So hello and welcome back, and today we're gonna make little removal of the digital climate control from Ford Fiesta MK8. This was an ST line of 2022, I believe. So kind of curious because it is an ST line, but look, doesn't have a heating for the seats, doesn't even have a front shield heating. But yeah, it depends. In ST line it can be everything. It's it's no more a gold standard. So yeah, so what you need to do, you need to remove the knob and the leather around the knob, and then it's kind of pretty easy. You don't want to break anything, but it's usually just pull out, like pull out, and it comes out. So it's kind of strange. There is nothing that should hold, and there is no buttons or no knobs. So let me just pull it out so you can see, like this. So I know it's kind of stupid way, but it is what it is. Just things that are holding it. So now let's see, we have one electricity over here, and if you're gonna see, you need to click it from downside. So that's kind of interesting. So as you can see here, you need to press this. You need to press this to take it out. And other thing is, there is again, I believe, from downside. It should be from upper side, but for some reason the Ford engineers thought it's gonna be better if it's from downside. Let me just take this a little bit so it's easier with two hands. So once you click this and take it out, only thing that is this one holding this one are the electricity for the lightning and for USB. So let me take it out and then we show you what you need to do and how to do it. But it's kinda easy, not that hard. So once you take out these, so it's this one and that's this one. This one is kinda easy. You just click a little bit and pull out. So but this one is kinda hard, because look, there is these two holding and plus these. So it's kinda harder. It's kind of harder to take this one out. So, and this is same for all of Fiesta. So this plastic around here, only difference is the climate control can be like this, or it can be with just a normal one. So yeah, and the climate control does, it's on for this I believe it's 25 torque. So that's kinda easy to take out, and you can replace it pretty much easy. So I hope this did help. Next step in this is taking the center console, and after that this one, and we are going to finish with the dashboard. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow. See you guys in the next one. So till next one, bye bye.